Unpredictable paths, providential moments, joyful hearts. With God in every step, we explore nature and trust His plan. We're here again for another adventure. Today, we're heading to Barangay Tinucan, still in Tanay, and this time, we are choosing to go a little farther beyond our comfort. Right now, we're still on the road, just enjoying the journey, the view, and the moment. Minsan kasi, we get so focused on the destination that we forget to appreciate the beauty of the travel itself. As we leave the busy street behind, everything starts to slow down. The air feels fresher, the surroundings becomes greener, and there's this quiet peace that slowly fills your heart. Parang unti-unti mong nararamdaman na you're being pulled away from all the stress and noise of everyday life. This is one of the reasons why we love doing this, because traveling, especially to the places like this, give us time to pause and reflect. It reminds us that life doesn't always have to be rushed. Sometimes God invites us to slow down, to breathe, and to simply trust Him in the process. Habang nasa biyahe kami, we're also reminded that every journey has a purpose. Even if we don't fully understand where the road will take us, we hold on to the truth that God is always there ahead of us. And maybe that's something we can all bring into our lives. That it's okay not to have everything figured out. What matters is we keep moving forward. We also take this time to appreciate the beauty around us, the mountains, the trees, the simple roads that lead us somewhere meaningful. Sana habang nanonood kayo, you also feel encouraged to step outside, to explore and to reconnect with nature. So for now, samahan niyo muna kami sa biyahe, enjoying every moment, every view, and every reminder that life itself is a journey worth appreciating. And we're finally here! Welcome to campsite ni Mio! We were warmly greeted by their kind caretakers, Ate Grace and Kuya Arthur. So if you're wondering why we're setting up our canopy using the trees, it's because we actually lost our poles along the way. Hindi namin napansin. He even went back to check the road we passed, which was honestly a bit risky because the road was rough and uneven. But even after going back, we still couldn't find it. Good thing there are a lot of trees here. May kabitan na agad kami. So somehow, nakapag-adjust na rin kami. It's one of those moments where things don't go as planned. But you just have to work with what you have. Kasi nga, nasa camping kami. At eto pa nga, as if that wasn't enough, naiwan pa niya yung knife niya, the one he usually always bring. But today, unfortunately, hindi niya nadala. It felt like one challenge after another. Parang tinitest talaga yung patience naming dalawa. But you know what's amazing? Kahit ganon, being surrounded by all this greenery changes everything. There's something about seeing nothing but trees, mountains, and open space. Nakakalip siya ng mood. Parang kahit may aberya, you don't feel as stressed. Instead, you feel calmer, more patient, and more present in the moment. Humahaba talaga yung pasensya namin, kaya instead of getting frustrated, we just choose to stay positive. Moments like this remind us that not everything has to be perfect to be meaningful. Sometimes, may mga unexpected situations where we learn to adapt, to be patient, and to simply enjoy the experience. Tulad ngayon, ito lang yung role ko muna habang nag-aayos yung asawa ko, nagsiset up, ganda-gandahan lang ako. Kasi nga, di ba, at the end of the day, it's not about having everything complete. It's about making the most out of what you have, trusting the process, and choosing good vibes no matter what. So for now, panoorin nyo muna ang asawa ko sa pagtatapos ng aming setup. Saing ako. Anong oras na? Ngayon pa lang kayo makakapagsaing kasi nawala yung pole namin. Sayang naman yun. Mahal pa naman nun. Nawala yung pole namin tapos binalikan niya ni Six. Kaso hindi talaga niya nakita. So baka hindi talaga para sa amin yun. So itong aming bigas ay saktong 1 cup lang. Ayan. Ayan, saing na muna tayo. While waiting for our rice to cook, I relaxed muna here in their hammock. At the same time, we heated up the frozen food we brought, keeping our brunch simple and easy to prepare so we can save time. We really want to maximize our time since we are heading to the river later. Kain! Right now.
Ano, patapos na.
Maganda dito, meron silang malapit sa amin yung lababo nila. I thank you. Papahinga muna ako di sa baba kasi napagod ako pagod ako maghugas ng plato. Oh, bakit? Bakit? Hugas lang ng plato na. Mabilis! Dahan-dahan! Malalim eh! Dahan-dahan! Sabi nila, mothers knows best. But since I'm not the mother, I'm the wifey, sometimes sablay din yung mga advice ko. Tulad ngayon, imbis na dun sa mas mababaw siya na padaan, dun siya sa mas malalim na padaan, mas mahirap yung ginawa niya. Sorry na. Kamusta ang pagtawid sa ilog? Hirap? Malalim? Mulubog? Anong campsite ito? May aircon kaya? Woo!
Tanong mo kung malalim.
Malalim? Malalim po. Malalim dyan. Malalim? Oo, mukha ka dito nililigoan kasi hindi masyado ano.
Ano?
Sige. Eto na, dito na. Yan, malalim naman oh. Oo.
Anong campsite po to? Anong campsite po?
May malaki pang bato. Lula, nakakita ka.
Lokal po kayo? Lokal? Ah. Six, ang lamig! Six, ang
May
lamig!
tubo po? Sabi ko, may ubi kami. Eh si ate yung dito. Ito po yung nag-empanada.
Ito yes, malalim.
Six, ang lamig dito!
Abot, atas, ano naman?
Ang init po kasi doon.
Sabi sa amin, di pa tayo doon. Ang lamig nyo.
Pag hindi ka gumalaw 6, lalapitan ka. Dami.
We're really enjoying this whole experience so much. Being here in nature reminds us how beautiful life can be when you slow down and appreciate simple things. So, to anyone watching this, learn to enjoy even the simplest moments in life because what used to be just a dream can slowly become your reality. Hello. Dito muna kami sa... Grabe, sobrang linaw nung ilog. Kita niyo ba yan? Malalim. Oo, pagumpo. Pero mga hanggang haywang din siya. Diba? Nag-enjoy ka ba? Ha? Hindi siya nagsasalita. Wow, may tatlo-tatlo pa. Ayusin mo naman. Kala ko ba talent yan?
Seryoso na.
Seryoso na raw, guys. Wow! Galing. So, bago magdilim, we're heading back to our tent to prepare for our dinner since it would be hard to cook kung madilim naman yung paligid. Pero, in all fairness kay Six, he is very good when it comes to checking out things on Lazada or Shopee, making sure we will always have the right camping essentials. Even those lights we brought are very useful, long battery life, and very bright. Later, makikita nyo kapag nagluto ako ng dinner, makikita nyo yung ganda ng lights na nabili ni Six. Aray ko. Ano naman ako doon? Di ba ako magbubukas? Hello, kalaba. Huwag mo akong susuwagan. Guys, ang hirap maging vlogger. Cooking time! Oh, before I forgot to mention, because I failed to include it in the video, we already done cooking the rice. Galing ah. Mamaya na. Hindi pa pala. 6, hindi pa. Okay. Pwede na sa gata. Ang init. Pag malambot na yung lahat. Lalagyan natin siya ng kain tayo. Nagmamantikang ano yan, binagongan or hindi ko explain. Kahit ano na lang tawag, basta mayroon siyang gata, meron siyang alamang, at meron baboy. Ayun na yun. Kahit anong tawag, basta pagkain to na masarap. Diba? Kain tayo. After cooking, we took a bath first to prepare for this drinking session. Though, it's few drinks lang naman. Cheers! Sarap! Ang sarap!
Yo. Bihira kung hindi ko nga
Hindi mo naiiwan yan, no?
Ngayon lang. Tapos sa pahiram tayo. Yung Coco Mama talaga.
Ha?
Yung Coco Mama. Hindi ko na-expect na meron sa tindahan.
Tindahan sa bundok.
Yung sabon, okay lang. Yung sabon may mabili.
Gusto ako? Good night, everyone! See you tomorrow! Yan. Tapos, good night, anak! Papahinga na kami. Ay, naiwan. Natin yung asawa ko. Sobrang lamig kagabi. Guys, sobrang lamig kagabi. Sobrang lamig kagabi. Grabe. Nakinig ako sa lamig. Ba't pala nagtala ako ng jacket? Pero sobrang sarap ng tulog. Tanghali ba? Anong oras na? Nasa cellphone si. Missing ka na. Wait lang. Freshen up lang kami. Tore, freshen up. After freshen up, we spent our time flying the drone, then relax, and prepare for our breakfast. Grabe no, we can be morning person under these circumstances. Nagiging productive kaming dalawa. Morning pa lang kapag nasa galaan ang sisipag. Ay, lagay mo na yan dun. Yung, ano, may nalagyan akong tubig. No, nasa ano na. dyan yung kanin. Kung ano yung ibon na yun? Ang cute ng south.
Kung ano, kokoreka po.
Kokorek. Ay, gagi. Kokorek po.
Hindi mo alam yun?
Hindi. Meron ba nun?
Ang tao alam.
Hindi ako tao. Hindi ko alam ang kokorek po.
Ay,
Tuto ka eh.
nakuha na.
Ilang ka ba number? 3? Ako lang ba?
Hugasan na plato. Let's go.
After taking a bath, we pack up our things immediately so we can still have time to relax before leaving the place. Papalit muna ako. Nakapalit ako. So, if you're wondering bakit mag-isa lang si Six na nakasakay sa motor, we realized little too late that we left our drone back at the campsite. Akala namin nakasunod siya, hindi pala. By the time we noticed, we were already at the top of the mountain, already there enjoying the view, tas biglang may kulang pa talaga. So, syempre, someone had to go back. Walang choice, and si Six yung bumaba ulit, riding solo just to get it. Parang sa buhay lang natin, sometimes you think everything is going well, smooth na lahat, then suddenly may aberya. It's frustrating, tapos nakakapagod, but the reality is, you can't just ignore it. You have to deal with it. You have to go back if needed, fix what was left behind, and then move forward again. Kasi problems will always be there. Hindi sila nawawala. So the question is, what are you gonna do when that happens? Are you gonna stop or are you gonna do what's necessary even if it's going back just to make things right? Because at the end of the day, life must go on. Kahit pagod ka na, kahit hassle, tuloy lang. So, for everyone watching this, if you ever feel like something didn't go as planned or nagkaroon ng aberya, problema, it's okay. That's part of the journey. What matters is you keep going, you adjust, you learn, and you don't let the struggle stop you because struggles don't end, but neither should you. And that's the end of our vlog. See us again on our next adventure. Goodbye!